In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a Steam account on your mobile phone. Creating a Steam account on your mobile device is quick and easy, and it'll allow you to dive into the world of gaming in no time. To get started, open up the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Steam. Download and install the Steam mobile app on your device. Open up the Steam app. After that, tap where it says "Learn more about Steam." It will take you to this web page. What you want to do next is scroll down a bit and tap where it says "Don't have a Steam account." Then type in the email address that you want to associate with your Steam account. Confirm that email by retyping. This will automatically determine the country of residence based on your location. You can also change that if you want. Then confirm that you are not a robot by completing the capture. And then put a checkmark next to this to confirm that you are 13 years of age or older and agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement and the Valve privacy policy. Once you've done that, tap on the Continue button. Now, Steam will send you an email to the email address that you provided. So exit the web browser and find that email. It should be in the inbox of the Mail app or the Gmail app. Once you found it, tap on it and then tap on this button, Verify my email address. Once you've verified the email address, go back to the account creation page. What you want to do next is enter the Steam account name and then enter a password. Retype that password to confirm it. All you have to do next is tap on the Done button to complete the account creation process. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.